Yun, sobrang kalat na lang talaga dito sa bahay. What should I watch while eating? Hello everyone, this is your Meme. Yung papanoorin natin habang kumakain. Tung 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 sahur. Ala ballerina cappuccina. The fuck? Ano yung parang ganyan? I'm just stupid. Tsaka ng lightings mo. I-maximize natin ang ilaw. Talaga naman. Ayan. Ayan, may ilaw na. Ano ba? What should... Alam nyo, kanina pa ako nababad trip. Ilang cancel ako ng Grab kasi walang kumukuha ng order. Talaga naman. Kumain daw at parang masyadong... Ayaw mo na, busog na lang ako sa kakahintay ng food ko. Parang ngayon parang ayoko nang kumain. Gets ba? Gets niyo ba yun? You get it? Tapos, mamaya, magpapakta ko ng mga things ko kasi may shoot. Wala na, naubos na yung iced tea talaga naman. Tung 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 sahur. Kain. Sobrang haggard ko ngayon guys, huwag nyo na akong pansinin kasi nasa bahay lang ako, di naman tayo aalis. Bakit tayo magpapaganda? Tama, mali, tama. So habang kumakain tayo, guys, bigyan nyo ako ng mapapanood. Like, I need something to watch while eating. Like, may TikTok ba ako dito? Wala. I need something to watch sa ano. Fudge, wala akong mapanood. Like, FB10. Nakikita ba yung mga mentality mo? Hindi pa. Saan nyo nga yan kung hindi ko makita yung mga ganyan? Ano yan? FT yan. Ano yung F? What the fuck is that? Sobrang haggard ko naman. Putang ina naman. Manood na lang tayo na Walang paglalagyan ng iPad.
Brian, I'm sorry that Jen died. They were not great, but it was a very nice funeral service.
Peter, I swear, I won't stop trying to help you no matter what.
Nahulog na lang lahat. By the way, natulog. Bakit matutulog? What the fuck? Why are you asleep?
I think you got struck by lightning.
Please
Ayoko.
tell me that's not the finger you stuck in a rat's butt. No. I don't remember which one it was.
Bako to, bet. Puro patayan. Kumakain ako. This is the voice. Charis. Ano ba? Alam nyo guys, ito lagi kong pinapanood pag ano. Alam, gusto ko magpapawaks ako mamaya. Pupunta dito yung friend ko, magpapawaks ako. Kaya please, bumili na kayo ng ticket guys sa sa 11 niya, ay sa 9. Pool party, please lang. First time ko magbalat-balatan dun, wow. SpongeBob, pwede din. Wala na ako mapanood. Panoorin ko na lang yung ano ko. I'll watch my own vlog. Wow. Guys, panoorin nyo naman yung vlog ko. Inilalangaw siya. Wow. Diba? Panoorin nyo daw yung vlog ng Deja. Panoorin nyo daw yun siya. Yes. Wala na. Di na ulit ako nag-vlog. Tinamad na lang.
You bahala.
Wala na yung ice tea, putang ina na. Uho pa ako. FB10 ba ako? Deserve nyo yan. Sinamad na ako kumain. Sa tagal kong maghintay ng food. Wala na, tinamad na ako.
I really love also just getting to know people and having good conversation, as well as like having a really good time. I love just going on adventures and just seeing what happens. And it's so brutal.
Oh yeah,
Good, how are you?
good.
I think we're vibing here.
Yeah, there's something here. Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Turn to Date. I'm your host Nicholas, and you might remember me from Build-A-Boo, but today we've got a brand new, exciting show for you. Now we've got 3 lovely bachelorettes sitting in these lovely orange chairs, and they're going to be hearing from 25 single men pitching themselves. The catch is they won't be able to see them. Our bachelorettes will be turned away from the guys, only hearing their pitches. Now, when one of our bachelorettes likes what she hears, she can hit the button next to her to turn her chair around. If only one bachelorette turns around, that guy automatically joins her roster. Now, if 2 or 3 bachelorettes turn around, this lucky guy gets to pick which girl's roster he'd like to join. All right, let's begin Turn to Date.
Parang The Voice.
Can we have our first bachelor come on out? Hi, friends. All right, what's your name, friend?
My name's Ryder.
Hi, Ryder. You feel ready to pitch?
I'm ready as I'll ever be, honestly.
I love that attitude.
Just starting. Go ahead.
1, 2,
Countdown.
3, whenever you're ready.
My name is Ryder. I'm from Columbia, South Carolina. I moved here from Atlanta. I've been here for about 3 years. I'm a designer, mainly focused on clothing and furniture. But 2 things I say I'm really good at is design and having fun, just making the most of any situation. I think, sad situations, fun situations, I think just with me, they would be better. And I can really just keep yapping, but I think actions speak louder than words, so I'm gonna let you tell it. What's that?
Oh, we got a turn!
Are you ready? good. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm here.
Don't be nervous. I love that you're into design. I feel
Thank
like
you.
it's something I'm interested in, so
Okay.
we can learn from each other, I guess.
Okay.
Nagrarampa ka ba
Can I-
next?
can I come,
Hindi
like,
ko
shake your
alam.
hands?
Yeah, look at it.
How are you doing? I'm good. I'm great.
Thank you, my love.
Guys, we got our first official hug of the show. We'll send you on your way. Thank you, my friend.
My name is Gabriella, but people call me Gabby. I'm a professional dancer. I've danced my entire existence. I love nature. I love spiritualities. I'm very in tune. What I'm looking for
Kaya wala na.
is someone who's
Samanda
not
lang.
super center of attention. I think I want somebody to just sit in my energy with me.
Hi, my name is Eleanor. I'm 28 years old. I'm a professional cosplayer, so just general, like, unhinged artist on top of the hill vibes. I am so excited for this. I probably went on 50 first dates last year. I don't know. I don't have a physical type. If you saw everyone I'd ever dated, you'd be like, girl. But I think maybe I am going based off looks because something personality-wise is not matching up. So I'm excited for this.
Hi, I'm Ruth. I am 24 and I live here in LA. What I look for in a guy has to be tall, masculine, go to the gym as well. Red
Insang
flags
dak.
that I
What
look
the
for
fuck
in a
is
guy
that?
is if they cannot be cocky or arrogant, they can't eat fast food, and I'm feeling excited, nervous, everything right now.
All right, we're rocking and rolling. Shall we bring out the second guy?
Yes.
All right, Bachelor number 2, come
do it.
on out. Hi, friend. What's your name?
My name is Jack Coglin.
Hi, Jack. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm so good. Thank you for asking. First guy to ask me how I'm doing, by the way. You ready for this pitch?
I've been born ready.
Oh my god, I love to hear it.
How's it going,
Busog na
ladies?
ako,
My name is
marami
Jack.
pang food.
I bet you're wondering why I brought my favorite snack, my Go-Go Squeeze, out here. This could be my first gift to you if you turn your chair. I can only see the back of your heads, but I'm sure each and every single one of you is as beautiful as can be, and you all have amazing personalities. I love the Los Angeles Clippers. I actually work at their brand.